Hello viewers, welcome to the second session of Learning French Language. This is Ruchika. Welcome to the Big Bang Language School. Earlier session में हमने सीखा था alphabet in French language और 5 तरह से French accent किस तरह यूज होते हैं. ये 2 टॉपिक्स हमने सीखे थे अर्लियर सेशन में और ये हमारा सेकंड सेशन है. हमारे पास एक्सपर्ट ट्रेनर अवेलेबल है मिस क्रीना सत्रा. हाय क्रीना.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, Krina. How are you?
I'm good. I hope
Okay.
you learned the alphabets and the accents very well now.
Very well, ma'am. Very well. Thank you so much. That was very wonderful class. So today, can you please share what we are going to do in this session now?
Yes, sure. So in this session, all the viewers, we are going to learn the salutations, that is the greetings in French. So now, after this session, you will be able to greet each other in French. Also, you will be able to count the numbers from 1 to 100 in French.
Okay, ma'am. So shall we start with salutations?
Yes, let's begin. So now, what are salutations basically? In English, we have good morning, hi, hello, thank you, please, and everything, all the greetings, how are you, and stuff. So in French also there are lots and lots of salutations. So let's get started with it. So the salutations in French are called as les salutations. Les salutations. Les salutations, which means the greetings in English. Okay?
Les salutations.
Great. So the first and the really very important salutation of the French language is bonjour. Bonjour. So I would give you over here a pronunciation technique.
Okay.
In almost all the salutations starting with bon or bo, the letter B-O-N is pronounced as bo.
Okay.
So it's bonjour. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, which means good morning, hi, and hello, and a formal way. So, let me just give you how important bonjour is. जैसे कि हिंदी में we have namaste. Like namaste is the heart of Hindi. The same way bonjour is the heart of French. So you cannot ever forget the salutation bonjour. Okay, it's bonjour.
Okay. Bonjour.
Then it's bon mata, which means good morning.
Bon matin is good morning.
Yes. So instead of good morning, if you cannot remember bon mata, it's completely fine to use bonjour as well.
Okay.
Then we have bon après-midi, which means good afternoon.
Bon après-midi. Good afternoon.
Now, did you notice something? It's bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. We pronounce the N sound but quite silent. Why N? We had noted it down last time that if it's a, if it's there's a vowel ahead, we say it as bon après-midi. Bon après-midi, which means good afternoon.
Okay.
Now,
yeah. It's bon après-midi.
Yes. Now again, instead of bon après-midi, you can use bonjour as well. So bonjour can be used at any time of the day before 6 p.m. Before 6 p.m. you can use bonjour anytime.
All right. Okay.
The next one we have is bonsoir. Bonsoir is good evening. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. B-O-N is bo. Soir. Bonsoir. Yes.
Bonsoir. Good evening.
Yes. Great. The next one which we have is bonne nuit. Bonne nuit, which means good night.
Bonne nuit is good night.
So in these 5 to 6 salutations, 5 salutations which we did till now, you can notice one thing. There's bon, which is common in all of them. So bon basically means good. And the next one, that is jour, which means day, Mata, which means morning, Après-midi, which means afternoon, Soir, which means evening, and Nuit, which means night. Yes, very good.
Okay.
So you learn various vocabs over here.
All right.
So the next one which we have is salut. What is salut? Salut is hi or hey in an informal way. So when you want to greet your friends, you can say salut.
Okay, it's salut.
Yes, it's not salute, it's salut.
Okay, it's salut. T will be silent.
T is silent. The last letter in French is silent the maximum of times.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Moving on to the next set of salutations. They are not difficult. Let's do it together.
All right. Yeah.
So the next one which we have is Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous, which means how are you, but in an informal way, but in a formal way. So when you want to greet someone elder to you or someone whom you want to give respect, you can say Comment allez-vous?
Comment allez-vous?
Yes. In response, you can reply Je vais bien, merci. Je vais bien, merci means I am fine, thank you. You need to break each and every word. Je vais bien is I am fine, merci is thank you. Je vais bien, merci.
Je vais bien, merci.
Yes. Now, we talked a bit about formal. Now let's go to the informal part. If you want to greet your friend, how are you? What would you say? You can say Como ça va? Como ça va? Which means how are you in an informal way.
Como ça va? Is how are you?
Yes. Now, we did the sawa in the last class in accents. So it's sava and it's not kava, okay? It's como ça va.
Como ça va?
Yes. Now, for replying this como ça va question, I have three possibilities for you. The first one is ça va bien. Ça va bien is I am fine.
Ça va bien. I am
ça va
fine.
Bien? Yes, ça va bien. I am fine. The next one, ça va mal. Ça va mal means I am not fine or I'm not good.
Ça va mal. I'm not good.
Yes. Now, another one, the last one, the last possibility which I have is a really very interesting one. And I hope you like it too. So it's comme si, comme ça. Comme si, comme ça. Now, what does comme si, comme ça mean? It is like okay-ish, chalta hai, Hindi wala chalta hai, neither good nor bad. Comme si, comme ça.
Comme si, comme ça.
Now, it is a really very important and useful expression. For any single thing, you can say comme si, comme ça. If you like the session, you can say ça va bien. If you did not like, ça va mal. If you like it, okay, you can say ça va, comme si, comme ça. Okay?
Okay, it's comme si, comme ça.
Yes. The next one which we have is merci. Merci, which means thank you.
Merci is thank you.
Yes. Merci beaucoup is thank you very much.
Merci beaucoup is thank you very much.
Yes. Désolé is sorry. Désolé is sorry.
Désolé is sorry.
Yes. De rien is welcome. It's okay or mention not. For example, if I say you merci or if I say you désolé, in reply you can say de rien. De rien means it's okay, it's all right.
De rien is all right.
Great. The next one is s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît, which means please.
S'il vous plaît is please.
Yes. So now let's end our salutation topic. Now for ending our salutation, let's learn the salutations for saying goodbye. So goodbye is au revoir.
Au revoir is goodbye.
Yes. In Hindi, as we say ravivar, try to pronounce it as ravuar. Au revoir.
Au revoir is goodbye.
Yes. A bientôt is good. A bientôt is see you soon. A bientôt, see you soon.
A bientôt is see you soon.
Yes. The last one is a really very important one again. So whenever you meet someone in France, maybe for the first time or for the people whom you already know, you always need to say enchante. Enchante is nice to meet you. Enchante.
Enchante. Nice to meet you.
Great. So I hope the salutations are very much clear with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any questions you have for me?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Please
Let's
move
move.
forward. Yeah.
Yeah, let's move to our next topic, the numbers. So the numbers in French are called as les nombres. Les nombres means the numbers. Now, it's like,
Les nombres.
yes, les nombres, which means the numbers. So the numbers are very easy in French. I won't say it very easy again. Like they are comme si comme ça. We just learned this expression comme si comme ça, so let's utilize it for the numbers. Yes, so it's comme si comme ça. So they are neither difficult nor easy. So if you practice it often, they are just like a cakewalk for you. So for learning numbers, one single suggestion from my side. If you know 1 to 20 really very well, the numbers would be just like a cakewalk for you. If you are stuck up with 1 to 20, aage you will get a bit of problems, okay? Numbers are easy unless and until you understand it, okay? If you understand it well, if you understand the concepts well, the numbers are really very easy. So let's begin with the comme si comme ça topic.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so it's les nombres, which means the numbers.
Les nombres is numbers.
So 1 is pronounced as a.
1 is a.
2 is the.
2 is the.
3 is trois.
3 is trois.
Yes. 4 is quatre.
4 is quatre.
Yes. 5 is cinq. It's not sink, it's cinq.
5 is cinq.
6 is six. It is written the same way like the English one 6, but it's not pronounced the same way. It's six.
6 is six.
So in the brackets, I've written the pronunciation so it becomes more easier for you. 7
Okay.
is set. It's not sept. P is silent over here. It's set.
7 is set.
Yes. 8 is wheat.
8 is wheat.
9 is nerf. It's not neuf or something. It's nerf.
9 is nerf.
Yes. The 10th one is these. It's not something like dix or something. It's these.
10 is these.
Yes. The 11th one which we have is ons.
11 is ons.
12 is douze.
12 is douze.
13 is treize.
13 is treize.
Great. 14 is quatorze.
14 is quatorze.
15 is cans.
15 is cans.
It's not quins or something, it's cans. I can wala cans. 16.
16 is cans.
Yes. 16 is says. Now, please don't get confused between 6 and 16. 6 is sees and 16 is says.
16 is says.
Yes. 17. Now 17 is a bit easier one. It's just 10 plus 7. It's 17. It's the set.
The set.
10 is the and set is 7. So these set become 17. The 18th is these wheat.
Is 17.
Yes, the 18th is these wheat. These wheat is 10 plus 8 again, so 18.
These is 18.
Yes, these nerf is 19. These nerf again 10 plus 9.
Nerf is 19.
Yes. Va is 20. It's difficult to pronounce. Try pronouncing it. Va is 20. So I hope till 20 it's clear. I'll quickly pronounce it once again for you guys to get to know it better. It's the, through
The, to,
quatre,
quatre,
cinq,
cinq,
six,
six,
sept,
sept,
huit,
huit,
neuf,
neuf,
dix,
onze,
onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize, 17, 18, 19,
20.
Bravo. I hope you like the numbers till 20. Now after 20, it's really very easy. Now, what is 21? Now 21 is 20 and 1. 20 and 1. Now 21 is like van, a, van, a. It's pronounced like vante, a. The pronunciation goes like vante, a. Vante, a. "21" is van air, vantair. Yeah, 21 is vantair, 22 is vander. Now you might be thinking that, yeah. Yeah, so we were on 21. Vantair. Now you would be imagining why it's vantair. It's ET. ET means and. So ET is there in all the 1 series. 1 series, what does 1 series mean? In all the 21, 31, 41, 51, 61. In all the 1 value series, ET is there. So it's vantair.
Vantair.
Now 22 is normal. 22. Weather.
22 is weather.
23 is vatrua.
23 is vatrua.
Now, after 23, it just goes like 24. That is va, quatre, va, cinq, va, six, va, sept, va, huit, va, neuf. And then next we come over here is 30. 30 is trente. Trente.
30 is trente.
Great. Now 31, again, as I told you, 1 series. Trente-air. Trente-air. Just you pronounce 21. You have to pronounce 31. Trente-air.
Trente-air.
Then again normal comes back. Trente-deux.
Trente-deux.
Next will be 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, yeah, 37, 38,
38,
39,
39,
and then we
and
have 40, 40 which is 40, 40.
40 is 40.
Yes, again the same grin starts. 41, that is 41.
41 is 41.
Guess what is 42? 42. Guess.
42 is 42.
42. Yes. 43, 44, 45 would be 43, 44, 45. Then 46, 47, 48, 49. Then what is 50? 50 is 50. 50 is 5 and UANT. 50. 50.
50 is 50.
Yes, 50. Now again the same grin continues to be the same. 51.
51 is 51.
Yes. Now 52. 52.
52 is 52.
53, 54, 55, 56. Again the same. 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and the 60 is soixante.
60 is soixante.
Soixante. The same grin continues, continues, and continues. 61 is soixante.
61 is soixante.
Yes. 62 is soixante-deux.
62 is soixante-deux.
63 would be soixante-trois. Soixante-quatre, 64. Soixante-cinq, 65. Soixante-six, 66. Soixante-sept, 67. Soixante-huit, 68. Soixante-neuf, 69. And guess what is 70? Guess. It's 60 plus 10. That means soixante-dix.
Soixante-dix is 70.
Yes, soixante-dix. Now, after 70, the numbers become a bit of math. Now, you have to add 70 plus 11, 70 plus 12, 60 plus 11, 60 plus 12, 60 plus 13, so as to get 71, 72, 73. So, it's soixante-onze,
Soixante-onze,
soixante-douze,
soixante-douze,
soixante-treize,
soixante-treize,
soixante-quatorze,
soixante-quatorze,
which means 60 plus 14. Now,
okay.
675 would be soixante-quinze.
75 is soixante-quinze.
75 is soixante-quinze. 76 would be soixante-seize.
Yes.
Soixante-dix-sept. 68 would be soixante-dix-huit. 78 would be soixante-dix-huit. 79 would be soixante-dix-neuf.
79 is soixante-dix-neuf.
Now guess what is 80? 80 is really a big math. It's 4 into 20. Now, all the viewers, no other language has discussed this equals to the number. It's only in French. French is a really weird language, but yet it's fun to learn. So it's 4 into 20. Actually, it's 20s. It's 80.
80.
Yes. So only in 80, the 20, that is 20, has a S. No other number has S. That is, no other 20 valid digits has S. It's 80. The pronunciation is yet the same.
80.
Yes. The next which we have is 80.
Quatre-vingt-un.
Now, could you notice the single change? The ET goes away. So only in 81 and 91, the ET goes away, disappears. That is why I have just marked it so that you remember it. 81.
Quatre-vingt-un.
Yes. 82 is 82.
82 is quatre-vingt-deux.
83, 83.
83 is quatre-vingt-trois.
If you break each and every number, it turns out to be 4 into 20 plus 3. It's really very weird. The next is 84, which means 84.
84 is quatre-vingt-quatre.
85, 85.
85 is quatre-vingt-cinq.
86, 86.
86 quatre-vingt-six.
87, 87.
87 quatre-vingt-sept.
88, 88.
88 quatre-vingt-huit.
89, 89.
89 quatre-vingt-neuf.
Now guess what 90 is? It's again something weird. It's 90, which means 80 plus 10.
90 is quatre-vingt-dix.
Yes, so 90 is 90. If you break out 90, you get 4 into 20 plus 10.
Okay.
So 91 is 91, which means 80 plus 11.
Quatre-vingt-un is 91.
Yes. 92 is 92, which means 80 plus 12.
92 is quatre-vingt-douze.
Great. 93 is 93.
93 is quatre-vingt-treize.
13.
Quatre-vingt-treize.
94 is 94.
94 is quatre-vingt-quatorze.
95 is 95.
95 is quatre-vingt-quinze.
96 is 96.
96 is quatre-vingt-cinq.
97 is, yes, 97 is 97. Now it's actually 4 into 20 plus 10 plus 7, which comes out to be 97. 97.
Quatre-vingt-dix-sept is 97.
98 is 98.
98 is quatre-vingt-dix-huit.
Wheat.
Quatre-vingt-dix-huit.
Yes. 99 is 99.
99 is quatre-vingt-dix-neuf.
What is 100? It is actually written as CENT. Now, what is its pronunciation? Can you guess it? Any idea?
Is cent.
No. Now, compare the 100 to the Hindi wala 100. What is 100 in Hindi called?
Saw.
Exactly. That's what it's in French. It's saw. It's saw.
Okay. 100 is saw.
Yes. So I hope you hate the numbers now because they are tricky, but it comes out with practice. I hope the numbers are comsa with you.
Yes, it is. It's comsa.
Yes. So now let's do one small activity. Let's try to pronounce your number in French. Now basically, how do we pronounce our numbers in French? So we break two digits, or we take two digits of our number. For example, if it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we would take 0, 1, 23, 45, 67 and 89. So please try your number and let us know in the comment section below.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's try out this number for just an example. So 0, 1 is a, 0, a.
Then a.
1 through a is 23.
Betua 23.
45. 45.
45.
Soixante-sept 67.
Soixante-sept 67.
And 89 is 89.
89 is 89.
I think the numbers are quite good with you. So try to pronounce your phone number in French and let us know in the comment section below.
Yes, of course, Krina. It's a very nice, means very nice elaboration of countings. And yes, it is a bit difficult to, memorize, but, practice makes a man perfect. So
Yes.
thank you so much, Karina. So we have learned a lot today.
Yes.
Right. So yeah, tell me.
Any other questions you have from your side?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving the very nice information about the countings, and we have learned salutations today and the numbers. And may the viewers is also understand the countings, and they also work upon the salutations as well.
Yes.
So if you viewers, if you have any kind of questions, any kind of doubt, you can call me on the mentioned number over there, 9805371026. And if you have any questions to ask Ms. Karina, you can ask in the same number, as I am creating a French lesson group as well. So you can share your contact number with me as well. Okay, thank you so much, Karina.
Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup.
Thank you.
Yes, merci beaucoup. I hope you know the meaning of merci beaucoup. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.